Dear students, today I am going to explain you organs of government. There are three organs of government. The organ of the government which frames laws is called legislature. That organ which enforces the laws and ensures that they are followed is called the executive, and the organ which punishes those who do not follow them is called the judiciary. These three organs make government. ये तीन organ जो हैं ये मिल करके हमारी गवर्नमेंट बनाते हैं. First one is legislature. The legislature may have one or two houses. Where there are two houses, the first one is called the lower house and the second one upper house. The legislature performs many important functions. Important ones are: first, framing laws, नियम बनाना. The legislature prepares laws for properly governing the country. देश को सही ढंग से चलाने के लिए नियम बनाना ये पहला काम है. The second one is amendments in the constitution. The constitution has given powers of amendments in the constitution to the legislature. Parliament makes necessary amendments as per needs. Third one, administrative functions. The legislature also discharges the important function of exercising control over the executive. In the parliamentary form of the government, the executive is responsible to the legislature. Thus, legislature exercises control over the executive. Fourth, to decide policies for state and the government. The legislature does the work of deciding policies and giving directions to the states. It gives sanctions to the policies formulated by the executive. Number 5, functions relating to finance. The legislature does the work of imposing or reducing taxes and according sanctions to expenditures of executive. Thus, it exercises control over the money received from the people. Number 6, discussions of subjects presented in the House. The members deliberate on different subjects and problems placed before the House. They discuss all aspects of the proposed law before passing it so that the law may really benefit the public. Number 7, judicial function. In many countries, the legislature does the work of judiciary also. The legislature only can remove the president by impeachment. In America, also the legislature takes decision on the motion of impeachment against the president. Number 8, constitution of committees and commissions. Such subjects in which there is a necessity of giving a deep thought or where minute examination from all points of view is needed, the legislature appoints committees and commissions and officers for them. Number 9, control over foreign policy. In many countries, treaties and agreements with other countries cannot be enforced without the approval of legislature. In many countries, permissions of the legislature is necessary for waging a war with another country. Number 10, work relating to elections. चुनाव से संबंधित कार्य. In India, the president is elected by the elected representatives of the parliament and legislative assemblies. In many countries, the legislature does the work of election. Now, Indian Parliament. In our country, the legislature at the center is called Sansad, Parliament. It has two houses. Number 1, Lok Sabha, House of the People. Number 2, Rajya Sabha, Council of States. Lok Sabha, it is also called the lower house. Rajya Sabha, it is also called the upper house. Although there are two houses of parliament, President of India is their integral part. Thus, the parliament comprises of the House of the People, the Council of States and the President. House of People, it is the lower house. Maximum number of member of this house is 545. Its members are elected by direct election by the voters of the respective constituency. If the house is not dissolved premature, its tenure is for 5 years. In the House of People, 29 elected members are there from Madhya Pradesh. Any citizen of India who has completed 18 years of age can vote for the election to the House of People. Although the tenure of House of People is for 5 years, the President may not on the advice of the Prime Minister dissolve the House before 5 years. The officers of House of People are Speaker and Deputy Speaker. The Lok Sabha elects the Speaker and Deputy Speaker from amongst its members. Following are the functions of the Speaker of House of People: to preside over the sitting of the House, to conduct business of the House, to ensure peace and order in the House, to decide whether any bill is money bill or not, to constitute committees of House of People, protect the rights of members, to allocate time for discussion on a subject in the House. In the absence of the Speaker, the Deputy Speaker conducts the business of the House. Now, power of Lok Sabha. The power of the House of the People are as under: legislative power. Main function of the House of People is framing of laws. As per the Constitution, power of the House of People and Council of States are equal in respect of framing of laws, but in practice the House of People is more powerful. लोक सभा को अगर वास्तव में देखा जाए तो लोक सभा को राज्यसभा से अधिक अधिकार प्राप्त हैं. Generally, all important bills are presented only in the House of People. प्रायः है महत्वपूर्ण बिल जो होते हैं वो सभी लोकसभा में प्रस्तुत किए जाते हैं। फाइनेंशियल पावर्स, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज मेड द हाउस ऑफ पीपल पावरफुल so far as financial matters are concerned. Finance bill are initiated in the house of people only. Although finance bill are sent to the council of states after passing by the house of people, but the council of states have to accord sanction to the finance bills within 14 days. Control over the executive. According to the Constitution, the Council of Ministers is responsible to the House of People. The Council of Ministers can be functional till it enjoy the confidence of the House of People. The members of the House of the People exercise control over the government by asking questions in the House, bringing motion of adjournment or no confidence in respect of government policies. Amendment in Constitution. The House of People, Lok Sabha, and the Council of States, Rajya Sabha, together can make amendment in the Constitution. राज्य सभा और लोक सभा दोनों मिलकर के संविधान में संशोधन कर सकते हैं। Election of the President and the Vice President. The President is elected by the member of an electoral college consisting of the elected members of both houses of parliament and the elected members of the legislative assemblies of the states. The Vice President shall be elected by the members of an electoral college consisting of members of both houses of parliament. The election shall be in accordance with the system of proportional representation by means of single transferable vote, and voting shall be by secret ballot. Forum of People's Views. Since the House of People is the House of members elected by the public, therefore the views expressed by the members are considered to be the views of the people. House of the People is the mirror of people's aspirations and feeling. लोक सभा को जनता का दर्पण बताया गया है। Miscellaneous functions. Lok Sabha can bring a motion of impeachment of the President. It can discuss the proposal passed by the Council of States for removal of the Vice President. It can discuss the proposal for impeachment of the judges of Supreme Court and High Court. It is necessary for the Lok Sabha House of People to confirm the emergency proclaimed by the President within a month, or otherwise such proclamation shall automatically be nullified. Okay, dear students, so I hope you have understood about our Indian government. Okay, thank you.